In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily close a trade on the platform BingX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BingX, make sure to go down to the video description and click on the first link. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $6,000 as a welcome bonus. First, I quickly want to mention that I'm currently using here the demo trading feature. So if you want to try out the platform, I highly recommend you to just go up here to derivatives, go to USDT perpetual futures after you've signed up. When you're using the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get some demo funds that you can then use to try out the platform. Up here, you will see a button to go to the demo trading feature, and then you can use the entire platform right here without having to use your own money. So as you can see, we currently have this trade open right here on BingX, and if I want to close this trade, I can simply go up here to close, then click on market, which means I will close the position right now, and then choose how much percent of the position I want to close. I could say 100%, then I would close the entire position, or I can also just say, I just want to close, for example, 50%. Just click on close long, confirm, and you will see now it's only $5,000 big. So I closed half of it. There's also some other options. You could either click right here on market close. This would close the entire position. That's a very quick option. You can also, if you scroll down right here on the right side, click on market and then again choose how much percent you want to close. 100% would close the entire position. Or even if you have multiple positions open right here, you could also just click on close all right here, which is at one button. You can exit all your positions. Just click on confirm, and that way as well you will have closed all of your trades. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $6,000 in bonuses by using the link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.